How to fix Instagram notes not showing music. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the issue of missing music in your Instagram notes. So now let's get started. So when you attempt to upload a note in the Instagram messaging section, you should see a music icon that allows you to add a music. If this icon is not appearing, the first step is to open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, either it's Android or iPhone. Tap in the search bar and then search for Instagram application. Once you find the app, tap on it, and if you see an update button that is something like this, which is highlighted in blue color, tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. After you've checked for the updates for your Instagram application and check if the problem is fixed. So the notes feature on Instagram is relatively new and often has glitches that can be resolved with an app update. If there is a new version available, you will see an update icon and click on this button to update your app, which will install the latest version automatically. So after the update, the music option in your Instagram notes should be functioning properly. And if there is any glitches box in the app, you can go ahead and open your settings, scroll down and go to apps. From here, simply search for Instagram application. Once you find the app, scroll down and go to its storage and then click on clear cache. You can also go ahead and clear all the data, but remember that clearing the data will also delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you have to be very careful regarding that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.